the YouTube world. It's me, Bailey Bug, and I'm doing a truth or dare. Well, it's not really truth or dare. It's triple dog dare. They dare me to eat all 6 of the grasshopper's legs. So here we go. Hi. Do they taste good?
Oh, that is sick.
Oh, sick. Hey, there's a spider over there.
Imagine where those have been. Oh, spider! Spider!
Yeah,
Spider!
did you see it?
Big ol' egg sack.
Okay, now go back to Bailey. Go back to Bailey.
I feel sorry for the grasshopper.
And Bailey!
Hi, Gilbert.
Bailey, how bad does that taste?
This is all my fault. This is all my fault. It tastes like green beans. Like, no joke. Crunchy green beans.
Now you have to eat the real legs.
We found this on the concrete. And
yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Let me swallow the front legs first.
This is
Oh,
disgusting.
sick.
Are you going to actually eat it?
Sick.
Swallow it, Bailey.
You gotta eat
I got you at
You
first.
gotta eat the back legs too.
Yeah, I know. Oh, man.
Oh, those legs are gonna be huge. Ew. She's gonna eat the giant legs.
I like how you are like, ew.
Everybody
And
scoot
I'm just
back.
sitting here munching on grasshopper.
Everybody scoot back.
That's gushy.
Oh, this is sick. Everybody stop.
I swallowed them.
Now for the big finale.
Look at it.
Oh my goodness.
There's juice.
There's juice.
Is it blood?
Yeah. Let me see.
It's gonna be blood.
Oh, you
They
can
don't even have
see.
veins.
Yeah, they do. How else would they have a heart? I don't. No, I think it moved.
It moved. It moved. You should eat the whole grasshopper.
No, I'm not eating this part.
Very
this is the last leg.
Last leg. Ew. You just killed this.
Oh,
You
this
just
is sick.
killed this. Yeah,
No.
that's what people do.
It didn't kill it, but he doesn't have no legs.
So,
Clara, film it. This grasshopper needs a proper burial. Here's the little
die.
Hey!
Wait, no. The back legs taste like frog legs.
No!
Die, little grasshopper. Be free in heaven.
I am about to swallow them. I have a feeling that somebody bury me. I just died, so bury me.
Okay.
Oh, eating grasshopper legs are sick.
Bury